Probably babalikan namin para mag-try ng other menu nila. And for today's Chibugan, we're here at Mamu sa New Gateway Mall. Ang ganda ng ambience, polite yung mga staff nila dito. At first, they offer water and a complimentary bread which is sobrang nagustuhan ko and ng mom ko. Soft lang and light lang yung lasa, the best with butter. What we ordered nga is yung Lorenzo's truffle pasta, masky aroma, season and quality, intense and creamy, slightly garlicky or shallot taste like. We have also Wawa's prime rib, 250 grams with 2 side dishes, and we choose with Japanese rice and baked mashed potato. Every cut is tender, juicy, delicious, and rich beef flavor. It's easy to see why the price tag matches its impressive taste. Pwede na for the experience na paminsan-minsan lang. Next is Alex fried chicken, regular lang, and baked mashed potato side dish yung choice ko. Super juicy, savory, and crunchy nung balat niya. My mom really enjoyed the food. It's her birthday, kaya may complimentary silang velvet cupcake ata to. And nakashare ako syempre. Masarap. Ayun lang. Bye!